vitamins, and then go for a walk. My morning vitamins, my liquid iron, my sea moss. It's like a whole little pharmaceutical lineup here. Sea moss first. We're gonna jump out. That cat's vlogging. I think I'm gonna take my coffee with me on my walk. So.
Wow, you're gonna be holding it, you're gonna regret it. Wow,
So the hubs is off work for the next few weeks. I don't know how I feel about that. All right, I'm gonna use this to start brewing his coffee. Cinnamon coffee cake, coffee creamer. It's not that great. Picky when it comes to coffee, creamer, all of it. It just doesn't do it for me. It's gonna have to work.
it's gonna have to.
72 degrees outside. Let's see how long I can last with this sweatshirt on.